welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about risk-taking, so let's get started. Are action films popular in your country? Yes, action films are quite popular in my country. Or, indeed, action films have a significant following in my nation. Is it a good thing that leaders like taking risks? There are potential benefits to having a leader who demonstrates a willingness to take risks. Or having a leader who embraces risk-taking can have advantages. Do you think men and women would make a different choice about risk-taking? There could be differences in the risk-taking choices made by men and women, or it's possible that men and women might have varying inclinations when it comes to risk-taking. Why do some people enjoy extreme sports? Some individuals find enjoyment in extreme sports due to the adrenaline rush they provide, or the allure of extreme sports for certain people can be attributed to the exhilarating surge of adrenaline they offer. The questions are very brief today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me. It's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand. Extreme sports have captured the imagination of adventure enthusiasts around the world. These activities provide unique and exhilarating experiences. This reading passage explores the allure, psychology, and cultural impact of extreme sports. The thrill of the unknown. The allure lies in the thrill of the unknown and the satisfaction of conquering personal fears. Extreme sports encompasses a wide range of activities. Engaging in high-risk activities triggers the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and adrenaline. This rush of chemicals can lead to a sense of accomplishment and increased self-esteem. Social media has contributed to the popularity of extreme sports. Extreme sports have become a global phenomenon, as athletes and enthusiasts from various backgrounds unite in their pursuit of pushing the limits. Debates exist around the balance between pursuing passions and ensuring personal safety. Injuries and accidents are more common in extreme sports. The blend of psychology, cultural influence, and the thrill of facing danger made these activities a distinctive aspect of modern society. Extreme sports continues to captivate individuals seeking unique experiences. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look and see if you can incorporate any of these into your everyday English language. Exhilarating, conquer, thrill-seeking, adrenaline rush. Risk-taking, high-risk activities, challenging limits, euphoria, neurotransmitters, cultural phenomenon, accomplishment, transcend, self-esteem, enthusiast. Inherent risk, injury-prone, adrenaline. Embarking on high-risk adventures, fight-speed, adrenaline rush. Extreme sports, adventure-seeking spirit, engaging in risk-taking activities. Extreme sports offer a unique opportunity. The allure of the unknown is enticing. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Take a look and see if you can put any of these into your own words. Are action movies popular in your country? Would men and women make different choices regarding risk-taking? Is it beneficial for a leader to enjoy risk-taking? And what drives some individuals to enjoy extreme sports? And then we have our paraphrasing statements, and lastly, our paraphrasing descriptions. I'll leave you to it. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next one.